I'm heading home from Publix. I'm having a great morning. I woke up with energy because of that nap. That nap last night. I still went to bed by, I think, 11 or 12. Me and Vinny are watching a Netflix called Familiar, if you want to catch that. That's really good. It's only like 6 episodes, but really, really good. Tonight, we're going to watch the last one. Today, preparing and cooking and doing a video, and it's so funny because I ran out of something right in the middle of a video, and I was telling the viewers, if it happens to you, just learn from my mistakes and do what you got to do. But me, I said I would go out to get the parsley that I was missing in the recipe, and I just did. I went to Publix, and while I was there, I got something I need for the next video. So I really do what I say I'm gonna do. That was the whole point of it, because I want you to see what is involved, if you're really into it. Like, I think I'm too into YouTube. I don't know, some people might say that. A few family members and my husband, take a break. But you know what? My feeling is this. I would have to run out today anyways to have gotten his lunch item. Okay, so why is that not a problem? The fact that I had to do that anyway, got what I needed to finish my recipe before I uploaded so that I could show people that I really did go out and get it. And I did. And the thing I needed was on a BOGO. Yay! I tell everybody too, I can't speak for everybody in other states and whatnot, but if you're in a state that has a Publix, that's why I share all the BOGOs that I come across, because you can get them in your Publix. Like today, the spice I needed was on sale. And when I see buy one, get one on the Spice Islands, I double up because it's great. That's how I build my spice pantry. Now I built it so much that now I'm going to go home and add an additional recipe. And I'm excited because it's fun. I do have a good spice cabinet. I'm going to brag a little bit, I do. I pretty much am able to do all those DIYs. And that I'm having a blast with it. I hope you enjoy them. I really do, because they're fun to do. They're economical to have. They're sensible. And it's really the healthiness of it, wherever you can. Like I said on camera, doing them in the middle of all of my videos, if I'm doing a DIY or whatever have you. I'm cooking. I'm a big anti-preservative if I can do it. If I can't, I can't. I mean, if I was street poor tomorrow and could only eat, preservative-filled soup in a can to fill my belly, I would. I did. So I'm not, not a hypocrite. But right now I'm in a place in life where I could do a little better, and I'm gonna. I'll make those DIYs. I'd rather have that. And a lot of them are cheaper, not gonna lie. The one I did today, you'll see it. It's all over the internet, and it's smart to do because it saves a lot of money. I have a short that I'm jumping ahead of myself today. This morning, I went out because I ran out of my K-Cups. I love my Dunkin' K-Cups. We have the machine, the Keurig, and I thought 50 cents a day for each cup, and I have 2 a day, $1 a day. I thought was a lot, and it kind of is for the K-Cups. Sometimes I don't drink 2, but most days I do. Vinny doesn't, and he does decaf. Anyways, we have it delivered by Amazon. He ran out. I ran out before the next delivery was coming. It was like 3 days. I ran to Publix, bought a small box on sale for $8.99. I said, this ain't bad. I'll use it. I drink it anyway. I get home, come to find out it's the dark roast. Oh my God. After drinking my medium or whatever it is, when the delivery comes, I'm going to check my roast of choice, because it was just like bitter. It's the grind. If coffee is very specific, I'm learning. I never put much thought into it. I mean, I've been drinking the K-Cups for 15 years now. Never thought about it. But boy, from my blend to that darker, I couldn't drink it. And the other spectrum was Vinny said, oh, just drink my decaf for 2. I said, all right, it won't bother me. I could use a little less caffeine. I tried the decaf. Oh my God, it's like water. You ever do the K-Cup twice by mistake and try to drink it? That's what the decaf tastes like to me. Really, really watered down. So couldn't do that. Okay, let me speed this story up. I go to Dunkin' Donuts today. I get my large. So let me be nice, get my hubby a donut. Gotta watch this lady on a bike. It's not coming in front of me, even though we're standing still. I go and get the cup, and I get him a donut, frosted. Well, it was $5.73. It's like, I don't know. I'm comfortably retired, but I ain't rich, and I can't afford that. I'll be honest with you. I can't afford $5 a day. These young people that are just working, I tell you, take note. Brew your coffee home and take it in one of them cups, because $5. Well, the coffee itself was $3.73. So let's round it out and say Dunkin' is $3.75 and $5.75 if you're wealthy enough or splurgy enough to go to Starbucks. Personally, I can't afford either on a daily basis. If you want to save money, youngins, workers, go and make your own brew from grinds of coffee, and then what you can do with that is take it in a metal cup, and you be good to go. And I would even be buttering or cream cheese in my bagel. Publix bagels, buy one, get one. I don't eat them, but back in the day when I was younger, I used to love a buttered bagel, toasted, whatever, even cream cheese bagel, onion bagel with cream cheese. So that's my tip for the day to save money. I'm going to cut here because I'm almost home. The bridge is up, and I don't want to stay overly long. And I got to get home and do 2 more video recipes for today. So catch me from tonight or today if I get it up. I don't know if I have the time. But I'll see you very soon in the next video.